talk about like blockchain, I use practical cases. We can like mention the first like trading. So you can like actually develop automated algorithms that will help you trade for the blockchain. We all know that in 2017 we had a crash for that, in terms of blockchain and Bitcoin. And then like you can also use sentiment analysis in terms to better like predict different trading outcomes and so on. And another use case is really a good one because like when we talk about computing for like for deployment and developing machine learning algorithms, computing is something that at this point is so much expensive and it's not so fast. We talk about CPU and GPU. So GPU is a little bit more expensive than CPU, but when we talk about times or in cores for adding to algorithm, it's like to like 2,000 cores in 1 hour, like 2,000 cores. But like if you use like blockchain decentralized system, you can actually have less money invested in it, and actually like all the big companies like Google, IBM, and so on, they are like investing their whole money in making everything happen. So this way, making a decentralized system like we did with introduction of a blockchain for the like finance industry, you can also do that for IT industry. And you should think about like Amazon Alexa and so on in terms like, do you know why Alexa cannot ask you? So you need to ask her, so she cannot trigger a question to you. So for example, she can ask you like, why you are not, what's happened with you? So you were maybe, I see that you haven't been on a date for a while. What's happening with you? So she can ask you that question, why she's actually not doing it at this point, because they have a problems with deployment and everything and storing the data. Blockchain can be something that can be used in that terms. So like that way, we will reduce the costs and probably we will introduce the voice as a new way of communicating by amongst of us. Probably you saw the movie that's called, I think so, Her. So that's something that will happen eventually, but it will happen in like 5 or 10 years to come, because before like talking about use practical cases, we need first to understand what is blockchain, what is machine learning, and then see the problem that can be used in every industry and then implement.